Here experiment for light intensity control using track and deck. Here diagram of manual according to the connection on kit. I tell you how to connect the circuit with patch cords. Firstly, 47 ohm resistance connect. Here leads connect to empty1 of track and 0.1 capacitance M2 of track connected and 1 kilo ohm resistance connect of 470 kilo ohm ports here. And now DAC connect 10 kilo ohm 0.1 microfarad and 0.0047 microfarad capacitance. And now 2 pin external lead connect 47 ohm and 0.1 microfarad capacitor connected. Now connect the 220 volt AC and vary the potentiometer 470 kilo ohm. Control bulb intensity change minimum and maximum. And change the experiment for using SCR and DAC. Change the track connection same SCR. Here anode, gate and cathode. And same procedure, connect 220 volt external supply and potentiometer rotate the clockwise and note down the light intensity. Clockwise potentiometer and see the light intensity of bulb using SCR and DAC and perform the experiment according to the manual. Thank you.